Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a flowchart inside Notion quickly and easily without using complicated design software. If you've ever wanted to turn your ideas, workflows, or project plans into a clean digital flowchart, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. A lot of people think Notion has a built-in drag-and-drop flowchart creator, but that's not exactly how it works. Instead, Notion supports something called Mermaid, which is a simple diagramming language that can automatically generate charts and flow diagrams from text-based instructions. Don't worry though, because you won't need advanced coding knowledge to use it effectively. The easiest way to create these charts is by using tools like ChatGPT to generate the Mermaid code for you. Instead of manually learning the syntax, you can simply describe the type of chart you want. For example, you might ask for a flowchart that explains the process of uploading a YouTube video, completing a school assignment, or organizing a business workflow. Once you provide your idea, ChatGPT can generate Mermaid code that acts like a blueprint for the diagram. After generating the code, head back into Notion and open the page where you want your flowchart to appear. From there, type the / command for Mermaid and select the Mermaid code block option from the menu. This creates a special block inside Notion that can read and display Mermaid diagrams automatically. Now simply copy the Mermaid code generated by ChatGPT and paste it into the block. Within seconds, Notion transforms the text instructions into a visual flowchart directly inside your page. This makes it incredibly easy to organize ideas, display processes, and create professional-looking diagrams without using separate software. One of the best parts about this system is how flexible it is. If something in the chart doesn't look right, maybe you forgot a step or want to reorganize the layout, you can easily edit the Mermaid code and update the diagram instantly. You can also ask ChatGPT to modify the flowchart for you by adding decision points, colors, extra steps, or different structures depending on your needs. The tutorial also explains that writing better prompts leads to better results. The more detailed your instructions are when describing your flowchart idea, the more accurate and useful the generated diagram will become. For example, if you clearly explain each step, possible outcomes, and decision points, the final chart inside Notion will look much more polished and organized. This feature is especially useful for students, content creators, business teams, and project managers who need a clean way to visualize information. Instead of keeping messy handwritten notes or scattered ideas, you can build organized digital diagrams that are easier to share, edit, and understand. Another advantage is that everything stays inside your Notion workspace, meaning your charts, notes, tasks, and project plans can all exist in one place. This creates a more efficient workflow and helps reduce the need to constantly switch between multiple apps while working. And that's basically how you create flowcharts in Notion using Mermaid code and ChatGPT. It's fast, simple, and surprisingly powerful once you get used to it. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.